Welcome back. The Cuyahoga Valley National Park is not only a great place to bask in our region's natural beauty, but it's the perfect classroom for a lesson in environmental sciences. In fact, the park provides plenty of volunteer opportunities to help out and also learn. In this week's Growing STEM, Betsy Kling shows us how one group of volunteers is restoring the park's habitat from the threat of invasive plants.
It's really awesome to see whenever people choose to spend their free time helping out the environment.
In the woods of the Cuyahoga Valley National Park, over a dozen volunteers are gathered off the beaten path, helping to remove invasive plant species.
Just try to make sure that you're not grabbing an actual thorn. You can kind of pull it out, and that makes it a lot easier to move without stabbing yourself.
Guiding them is Park Ranger Neil Miller, who says about a third of all plants in the park are invasive, and they are a big problem.
They spread really quickly, and they don't allow any space for these native plants to thrive, which means there's a reduced amount of the native insect population, and then so on and so forth with the animals and everything that relies on them.
So how did the plants get here? This land is former farm fields and homes. The early settlers brought plants from across the ocean to feel more at home, unaware of the damage they could do.
We have privet behind us, we have honeysuckle, we have multiflora rose, and then we have some bittersweet on the ground.
The volunteer program's main season stretches from April to the end of October. Older adults to school-age kids lend a hand, but there's some education as well.
Getting them out in nature and really showing them and letting them see for themselves what can happen whenever they're not controlled.
And Miller gets to see the pride volunteers show after a job well done.
If you are a United States citizen, you own these parks. You are a part of these parks. You can say, like, I helped make this place what it is. I helped restore my national park.
For Growing STEM, I'm Betsy Kling, 3 News.
Most volunteer opportunities are for a few hours, Thursdays and Saturdays. The program is co-managed with the Conservancy for Cuyahoga Valley National Park and a nonprofit Friends group.